guys, I'm done with the fiberglass. I'm putting a bond on it. As you see, YouTube, the way that you fix when the car rusted, you know, I cut everything here. I cut everything and put fiberglass on it. I put a fiberglass. Fiberglass, we grinding it like I told you guys. And after that, we put bond on it. See? Grinding it. So now I'm putting bond on it. That's really bad, guys. As you can see the other side. So this side, really bad. So when I'm done, like underneath of this, see, it's fiberglass. Fiberglass. See that big hole right there. So when I'm done, you're not gonna even see anything, because what happened when you put fiberglass first and you make some hole on it, you put some hole on this, and when you put the bond up, you will hold it so tight you can't even imagine. It will be like harder than this one. So this is it. You don't have to weld it or anything. Just fiberglass, grinding it, give it like exactly the shape that you want, and you put some hole on those things on the fiberglass. You have to drill holes on it, because when you drill the holes on it, the bundle goes inside and you hold it so tight, so you can't even see, you know, if this thing was rusted. Okay, this is the way that you fix that. This is the way I fix those things. Okay, guys, 2007 Honda Ridgeline, rust. Honda Ridgeline, rusty. This is the way that I fix it. Fiberglass, grinding it, give the shape that it's supposed to, and put bondo, ready to go, guys. All right, as you see here, when I'm done, guys, I'll take a video to show you how this thing gonna look. Okay, peace, guys.